So come on, tell me about this boyfriend of yours. What's he like in the sack? Can he throw the leg? Huh? Marianne?
I'm not discussing sex with you tonight.
You know, I haven't had a girlfriend in 5 years.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Wiggly's been on bread and water for 5 long years.
Okay. Is that the truth?
Yeah, I didn't think it would be fair.
You cold?
Huh? Oh, not really.
Feels familiar, doesn't it?
Thought you said you didn't remember.
I feel kind of selfish under here.
Oh, you are very selfish, and not just under there.
Oh, well. Too bad you said that.
Why?
Well, I was actually beginning to get turned on.
Oh, too bad for you. I wasn't.
Oh, you weren't?
No.
Fine. Oh, I'm gonna be out here.
Stop that, will you? Look,
What?
if you do that again...
No,
we're
you
gonna have
can't
to
tell me
something
what to
about
do,
it,
okay? I can't help it. Anyway, what are you gonna do about it? Add another felony to your list of crimes? Go to sleep.
I can't. What's the name of this boyfriend? Come on. You can tell me. I'll be nice, I promise.
You will?
Yeah.
Okay. His name is Paul.
Sounds like a dipshit.
Oh,
Trust me, anyone
you
named Paul, he's probably a
ridiculous.
spot welder.
Shut up. Go to sleep. Is that true?
What?
About 5 years.
Thought you didn't want to discuss it.
I don't.
Well, then shut up.
Shut up?
Yeah, shut up.
Yeah, I'll shut up.